Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive straight into how to use Airtable for employee scheduling and shifts, the complete 2025 guide. First things first, you need to create a new base. Head to your Airtable dashboard, click on the New Base button, and select Start from Scratch. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a clean slate to work from, tailored specifically to your needs. Next up, let's set up our main table. Click on Add a new table, and rename it to something like Employee Schedule. This table will serve as the core of our schedule, where we'll input all our essential data. Now that we've done that, let's create columns for each crucial piece of information. These should include employee names, roles, shift times, days off, and any other details relevant to your business. By adding these, we get a clearer overview of who is doing what, when, and where. Let's move on to setting up the fields. For each column, click on the drop-down arrow and select the field type that best matches the data. For instance, use a single-line text field for the employee name and a multiple select field for days off. This helps us because it ensures our data is organized and easy to read. Next, it's time to input your data. Click on each cell and type in the relevant information. If you have a lot of employees, this might take a bit of time, but trust me, it's worth it. This is where things start to take shape and our schedule comes to life. Once our data is in, let's make use of Airtable's color coding system. You can color code cells based on certain conditions, such as highlighting all evening shifts in a particular color. To do this, click on Conditional Formatting in the View menu. This helps us visualize our schedule better and makes potential issues stand out. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is a powerful tool that gives you the flexibility to create a customized scheduling system that fits your business like a glove. By following these steps, you're creating a streamlined, efficient, and easy-to-use schedule that keeps everyone on the same page. Now that we've got our schedule set up, let's explore one last feature: sharing. Select Share View from the Share menu at the top right of your Airtable screen. This allows you to share your schedule with your team so everyone can see when they're working and who they're working with. And there you have it. You now know how to use Airtable for employee scheduling and shifts. Remember, the key is in the details. The more information you input, the more effective your schedule will be. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.